We are pleased to show you the 2022 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, anti-lock braking system, door edge guards, dual exhaust, power brakes, rear window wiper, interval wipers, leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.